You're tuned in to Popular Cruising and our review of the entertainment on board the Star Princess from Princess Cruises. Production shows are the bread and butter of any cruise ship, but Princess offers one of the widest selections of other entertainment as well. For instance, outside is Movies Under the Stars, the line's signature al fresco film-going experience, complete with padded lounge chairs, blankets as needed, and popcorn, cookies, and milk. The Explorer's Lounge is not only the best themed space on board, but it's also where you'll find great live music, like the classical string trio and the Piazza Atrium. Cabaret venues like the Vista Lounge are often reserved exclusively for smaller entertainment, like the Country and Western Night, or the ship's stand-up comedians. But on the Star Princess, they even use the space for fully staged performances like Motor City, with the entire company of live singers, dancers, and orchestra. And if anything, the space was almost too small for it all. But we appreciate the return to cabaret basics in a smaller lounge. So have a look-see at a more up-close and personal performance. Of course, larger scale productions were reserved for the Princess Theater and its fantastic sightlines. In general, more entertainment selection came at the expense of less lavish productions, but the talented live performers were up to the challenge of making up for it. And occasionally things did get more lavish, with exquisite costumes. I only wish this level were seen all the time, with more in the way of set design. The entertainment fit the bill for most on board, and save for these headdresses, is headed in the right direction in our opinion. Thanks for watching. Please feel free to follow these links to our other Star Princess videos, subscribe to our channel, and visit popularcruising.com.